So how do you sign a document on your Android phone? And let me guide you through it and show you some ways you can make it work. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. It depends on what type of document format it is. It might be a PDF, it might be a Word. For example, if it's a Word document, I'm just using the official Microsoft Word app where, as you can see, I have the ability to open it up through this application, go through the editing mode, and I can actually go to the draw section where using the pen tool I have the ability to just sign the document with my finger. It works well. Obviously I can adjust the color and thickness, but it's likely going to be a black line, kind of thin, so you can move it around, and then it's going to be like an image which is pasted on top of the document. I can move it around to the proper spot, or even resize it or change the aspect ratio, and I can end up with a finished document. I can then tap on share and export it through this app into PDF or into a Word, and I actually have the proper document assigned, so that's the easiest way to make it work. Outside of that, you can see that you can explore the Play Store, where there are so many third-party signer apps which will allow you to do exactly that. Obviously, it's third-party app, so it might be filled with ads, or it might require you to have a subscription for deeper access, but those apps might be very useful as they are literally made for this, and you can insert your signature and it works well. But also, if it's for example, a PDF file, I like to use a PDF editor, which I as well downloaded from the Play Store. For example, the PDF Gear is the one which I personally use. And using this, you can as well edit your PDFs, and you can as well add a signature. So you will have the ability to draw on it like that, and you can as well just draw your signature like this. But that's all from me. I just wanted to quickly show you the way that I like to do it, and perhaps you're going to find it useful too. Thanks a lot, and I'm going to catch you later in future uploads.